everyone, and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today is a special day for me because today I'll be unboxing something very strange and very unusual. You don't know what I'm talking about? Well, we're gonna be unboxing the iPhone 11. What you see is the box itself, the iPhone 11. You see the iPhone logo right here on the side, the Apple logo, and the iPhone logo again. And this is a 128GB model, and it comes with all these features. Nothing unusual in the box. And let's start unboxing the box. I originally brought this knife to help me cut it, but that's not necessary because we could just do it from here. So we just peel it off. And we have the box itself. So let's move that away. Alright, so we got the box itself. So let's open it. And wow, it's the iPhone 11 in black model. This is the 128GB. We have the, hold up, let it focus a bit. We got the wide camera and the ultra wide camera, and we got the sensors to indicate. And I was saying I was gonna say that the Apple logo was moved from, instead of being in the top right here, they moved it to the middle and they removed the word Apple here. So this is the black version of it. So let's get that out of the way. And then we have the charger. This is a 5 watts charger. It's gonna charge super slow, but it is what it is, 5 watts. And then we have the earphones or AirPods or whatever. I think they're lightning cable earpods, so I guess I connected from there. Put on the side. And we got your lightning cable. And I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it from the box. Surprisingly, I didn't get any Apple stickers, so what the fuck, Apple? I'm kidding. But that's basically it. You get your 5 watts charger, your lightning cable, and your earphones, and the phone itself. So, oh wait, bruh. Anyway, here's the phone itself. Right here is gonna be like the, what's it called? I forgot what's it called. It's the first facial recognition. There you go, for Face ID. And there's no home button. Right here is the lightning port, the cameras. We got the speaker volume and the mute button, I'm guessing, and the off button. And yeah, basically that's it. Oh, I forgot, the camera is 12 megapixels, so if you're curious. And that's basically it. Designed by Apple in California. And that's the phone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Happy 4th of July, or happy not 4th of July. And take care very much. And I'll see you guys in the next time. Peace out.